Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set with Gina K Designs called Treat Yourself, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's dive in. Here is the stamp set and the coordinating die that is available. We're going to dive right in to the elements in the stamp set. So this stamp set's super fun. We've got an ice cream cone. We've got scoops of rose florals here and a rose add-on. And I'm going to show you how to use that. And with these scoops of roses, I've got hibiscus here, a really fun hibiscus flower. We've got line art and silhouette tiger lilies here that are going to be great for two-step stamping and a little bit of wonky two-step stamping. So super fun. I've got lots of different things that you can do with this, and I'm going to share the inspiration with you on the cards for this as well. Okay, so you can also do this wonky two-step stamping, and I've got some filler backgrounds to create some kind of explosion splatters. And of course, there's leafery in the stamp set. Lots of leafery with some palm fronds and some eucalyptus. And I've got some two-step stamping fun here with this large tiger lily. I've got the silhouette and the line art version for you to create that two-step stamping fun. Now, I want to take a quick moment and talk about that coordinating die for the Treat Yourself stamp set. Look at all of these wonderful, super juicy die cuts that you can get with the coordinating die and the stamp set. Look at all these super fun elements that I've cut out to create some fun card inspiration. So let's go ahead and dive into the inspiration. Okay, I've got a lot of cards to share, so bear with me, but it's going to be super fun. Here is a super fun card that uses that ice cream cone element. I've got some line art and the silhouette images, florals here, just kind of popping out of that ice cream. I'm using that filler splash element to just kind of create some more whimsical fun on this card front. Just love that card. Now, I just went ahead a little bit further with that filler element and created a background image to hold the tiger lily here. And I'm just loving the simplicity of this card design. I've got the it's the little thing sentiment here. And this is just a super simple card with some two-step stamping. Okay, I had a lot of fun with the roses, the scoops of roses, and I created a background to house this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful butterfly in Melanie's new stamp set. She has so many fun things going on inside of that butterfly, and I thought it went really well with the roses. It's kind of a maximalist design look, and I'm super loving it. Okay, super fun. Took the line art and did the two-step stamping with the tiger lilies, paired this up with some of my other stamps and sentiments to create this really simple card that's got a lot of contrast between lights and darks and the line art and the silhouette. I'm just loving it. If you've been following me for a while, you know the stamps are always the star of the show. So this super fun waterfall pattern with the tiger lilies between the line art and the silhouette is just paired up with a really fun sentiment from my Best Things in Life stamp set, and just created a really simple card where the stamps are the star of the show. I'm always looking for ways to create fun patterns with my stamp images. Now, I think this is my favorite card out of the whole batch. This was my intention with the stamp set, to have this incredible splash of flowers just blooming out of the ice cream cone. Just super fun. I've got all of the elements here between some die cut elements and some just stamped on the card layer elements to create a really fun card without a lot of height. And it's just super, super fun. Created that same kind of look and feel here, but I just had the bottom part of the card kind of be the focal point in the design, paired it up with the happy die cut, and just let that really large tiger lily kind of be the center focal point for this card. Now, Loving this. I love hibiscus flowers. I think they're absolutely beautiful. This is a really fun way to use the palm fronds and the eucalyptus to just kind of ground that hibiscus flower right there on the card. Super simple, but really pretty. Okay, this is the scoops of roses being used on this card along with the palm fronds and all of the leafery to just kind of create that explosion coming right out of the ice cream cone and just topping it off with the treat yourself sentiment. Now, I love the silhouettes of the tiger lilies so much that I thought they would be super fun to kind of frame in this card. And I'm just loving how they're just off of the bottom edge and we've got that really large one at the top. Super, super fun. Really nice, easygoing card. We've got the leafery here and I've got that hibiscus and just pairing it off with that so thankful for a friend like you sentiment. Really easygoing card, but really cute. Okay, don't forget you can download the free card idea sheet. The link is below in the description. Have 8 fun card ideas using this new stamp set. So I hope you enjoyed this free download. Okay, let's take another look at the stamp set and the coordinating die set for Treat Yourself. This stamp set is available now at GinaKDesigns.com. The links are down below in the description. I know you're going to love it. Super fun. And it's also in proportion to all of my other stamp sets in my collection, so you can use them all together. I hope you enjoyed this stamp set reveal and card inspiration for Treat Yourself. I have some live videos planned along with some other tutorials over the next couple weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And if you're interested, I have more card and watercolor tutorials right here on this channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.